Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Anna, and today I'm showing you how to build a computer. This is my first time building it, so yeah, and my dad's helping us too.
Waterbuffs TV.
And some more screws and whatever. And here's the motherboard, and forgot what this is called.
CPU.
The CPU. And this glows, and this glows, and this glows.
And this glows.
Yeah. I just put in the CPU right here. William is putting in the memory card. The first memory card at least. Do I need to click it in?
You need to push it in gently. Yeah, I'm going to click these to hold it in place.
Close up.
Okay, not too hard. Alright, we've got memory in here, so... Nope, that's all the memory we're putting in for right now. We could get 2 more later if we ever wanted more. With the satisfaction.
Can I bring the fan over?
Maybe not so satisfying, but whatever. Can you fold this up? She's tightening the little bolties, and this is the CPU, and the fan is going to go over it, so it keeps it nice and chilly.
Alright, next job is we need to put that grease on there.
That's annoying.
The little oil tube.
What is? Yeah.
Can I do it or
Put
do you
it
have
on
to?
there.
Where?
Whatever's beeping, stop beeping.
It's done beeping. Squirt a little bit on here.
Like on this or in the
Yeah.
creases?
No, alright, on the top of it.
This is scary.
Just like a little circle around. Okay.
That? I want to eat
Put
it.
it more in the middle.
Make it a bullseye.
There you go. That's good. Now don't lean your shirt into it or anything like that.
I want to just like click.
These screws
Not
are
quite
gonna
sure what
go
Anna's
into
doing,
those,
but she's
okay?
doing it.
And I think, yeah, it's
We
gonna
just
go
took the fan
that
off
way.
it.
So it's gonna sit in the goop
Yep, I felt that.
and find these screws here.
Ooh, my wrist just cracked.
Oh, that's right. Let me just make sure we get it started.
I'm
right.
stepping on the dog on accident.
Extra tight. My dude. Close up.
Cooler Master is the brand.
Look at my toes. Look at Audie. He's so
Right,
cute. He's a little dead, but it's okay.
I think I did most of it in there. Alright, so then it says how much?
Nope, they definitely screw in more.
Who got addicted to it again?
I'm screwing this in. Whatever that means.
Grease takes up all the gap.
This is great camera quality, actually.
Whoa! Oops, I just spit on my phone.
Ew. Keep the new sweatshirt.
Screwed all that in. Now we're gonna connect Alfano.
Alfano.
And also the fan comes with a remote, I believe. Right there.
So you can choose
You can
if you want your thing to, you can choose it over here or not.
I don't really know what the fan does, but you know, whatever.
I think it comes with a remote.
Yeah, it does.
The fan cools it.
No, really. So the fan will cool the little card that we put in,
CPU.
the CPU. It's called Cooler Master. Same with this. So our this this thing didn't have the screws that this needed, so my dad is making new holes for it.
We'll see how good of an idea that is. I can't get that one in.
Okay, we're setting the motherboard into here after my dad just screwed new holes for the screws to go in. And I'm gonna screw it all the way in a second. Okay guys, so it's the next day. We have this from yesterday in the old case, but we figured out this case is too small for what we have. So we had to buy this new one, which is a lot bigger. It's the same like design and whatever, except bigger. And so we gotta move all this stuff into here now. And we gotta move the other stuff into here. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we just put the motherboard in, and this one, it already had the screws, these little things, in it. So that's already a good sign, so it fit in perfectly. And a lot more space now. We're gonna have a lot of open space when we're all done, so yeah. We just put in the solid state drive right here, and we have this entire motherboard screwed in. And next step is
Graphics card.
graphics card. So I don't know where that's gonna go.
It's gonna go right here.
Yep, I knew it. Okay, I'm putting in the graphics card, and we just unscrewed these two things so it can stick out a little bit right there. Okay, there's a wire there.
Once you have it lined up, then it's definitely not lined up.
Yeah, I can tell. Wait. That's already. Okay, give me a second.
I can see it's lined up good right now, so just wiggle it in. It'll be a little firmer.
Oh. So there it is. Graphics card is in.
And we just need to screw it in.
Yep, that would be
Alright.
smart.
Power supply next.
We put the power source in right here. It like screws in right here, and then this is the back side of what we've been working on. So the power source is right there, but whatever. Has all these cords attached and a little fan, I think, right there. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, there's the bottom of the motherboard. And yeah, if I do this, you can see the stuff.
Probably not. It's probably dark.
Yeah. We are starting to plug everything in, and the cords from the power supply are all right here. And then it goes through this little bleep and this one. And so then we can connect it over to the front. And this is what you'll see, not the ugly stuff. But yeah, we gotta figure out how to plug everything in. Wish us luck, guys.
One's in.
And we
Alright.
attached Mr. Fan. We just plugged in all of these wires, and in the front, let's turn it. All of this is plugged in. It kind of looks messy, but oh well. I'm just gonna make this. We can cover that, I believe. No? Okay. But yeah, everything is all plugged in. I'm gonna put the back cover on now. I put together the monitor. I just screwed these together, but here it is. Pretty epic. I gotta take this plastic off, but I'm gonna wait till we have it all set up. We just gotta get Windows on the computer, and then we can connect it all. Good job. This is maybe a satisfying peel, I'm not sure. yeah, so there was a bunch of just one problem. It wasn't connecting to the computer.
To the monitor.
To the monitor. Yep. So Jeff here had to figure it out. But yeah. Final thing in 3, 2. Yeah. Bum, bum, bum. We got the keyboard. No, that's the new monitor down there. Now we have to do something with this. I don't really know what. Okay guys, here's the final reveal of the computer. In 3, 2, da-da-da-da. Kind of have to go from the side so you don't see my reflection, but we got the fan that glows, we got that, all this stuff. I have some empty space here, so if you have ideas of what I should put there, leave them in the comments. And I might as well do a desk tour. We got this light, which is cool. We got this. I'm about to edit the YouTube video that I'm filming, so yeah. We got my headset, banana thing. We got, let me turn these on. We got my LED lights that go all the way around my room. Basketball hoop. We got these banana lights. Let me turn these on. Dun, dun. But yeah, the rest of my room is kind of messy, so this is what you get to see. And we got these. So yeah. But if you guys enjoy, make sure you leave a like and read that. It says subscribe. Make sure you do that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!